Hello everyone, at this point, I will select the extruded cut feature to remove material from the part. As you can see, SolidWorks has maintained the same cutting direction that was defined previously. I will set the cut depth to 50 mm. If you remember, the thickness of this part is 50 mm. In this case, I can even enter a value greater than 50 mm without causing any issues. When you are unsure about their exact depth, and there is no geometry beyond the target area that could be affected, using a larger value is often acceptable. Later, I will explain the different options available in the end conditions section. Here we have options such as blind, through all, up to surface, up to vertex, up to body, and others. For example, if we choose through all, the cut passes completely through the model, and there is no need to specify a depth value. Notice that the depth field disappears because SolidWorks automatically cuts through their entire part. However, when using blind, you must enter a specific depth value. Suppose the thickness of the part is 50 mm, and you only want to create a hole with a depth of 40 mm. In that case, you would simply enter 40 mm as the cut depth and confirm their operation. As you can see, the hole has now been created. I will use some of the view tools to better illustrate the result. By right-clicking, I can also access rotation controls and orient the model so that the geometry is easier to examine. At the moment, the display style is set in a way that does not clearly show how far the hole extends into the part. However, we can still tell that the hole does not pass all the way through. Now, if I go to the Geometry design tree, right-click on the Cut Extrude feature, and select Edit feature, I can change the depth from 40 mm to 50 mm. After rebuilding the model, the hole extends completely through the part. The result can be seen more clearly in display modes that show hidden edges, allowing us to verify the full depth of the cut. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.